Let's solve for x from here. Given 18 on x exponent 4 plus 1 on x squared equals to 4. Solution. Okay, so what we are going to do here is to find the LCM of this and that. We know x squared can go into x to the power 4. Okay, because x squared times x squared is x to the power 4. So x squared into x squared will still get x squared. Okay, so let's find the least common multiples, the LCM. So that will be x to the power 4 because x squared will go into this one. So x to the power 4 into itself is 1. 1 times 18 is 18 plus x squared into x squared in x to the power 4 is x squared times 1 is x squared equals to 4. So we have 4 here. Okay, so we can do cross multiplication. Can make this side over 1 and do cross multiplication. So my next step will be 18 plus x squared. So we have 18 plus x squared equals to 4x squared. So 4 is to the power 4. So this one will just multiply that. Okay, from here we can arrange them. So let's send everything in. That will be 4x to the power 4 minus x squared minus 18 equals to 0. Now let's observe this x to the power 4. Can we form x squared here? Yeah, we can say 4x. Okay, so 4x squared all squared, because we want to form this one here, minus x squared minus 18 equals to 0. Now from here, let's observe this. We have this in common. Okay, so let x squared be m. Okay, so in going back where I see x squared, I'll put m over there. So that will be 4m squared. Okay, so this side have m, so squared minus m minus m minus 18 equals to 0. So we have a quadratic here. So how do you solve for this one? So step 1, we have to multiply the coefficient of m squared by the constant. So that will be minus 18 times 4. So for a 32, 7. So we have minus 72. So minus 72. Let's find two numbers. When we multiply them, to give us minus 72. But when we add, it will give us coefficient of m, that is negative 1. We know 9 and 8, so minus 9 and 8. 9, 8, 72. Minus 9, 8, minus 72. Minus 9 plus 8 give us negative 1. So we are free to go. So we have 4m squared minus 9m plus 8m minus 18 equals to 0. As simple as that. So from here, we can take m out here. So that will be m out 4 minus, sorry, m out 4m minus 9. And this side, I think 2 here, 4, 2 here, 9. So 2 out plus 2 have 4m minus 9 equals to 0. So we have 4m minus 9, and we have m plus 2 equals to 0. So from here, with the 0 product, the first term 4m minus 9, 4m minus 9 is equal to 0, or m plus 2 equal to 0. So we have m equals to minus 2, and we have 4m equals to 9. That is m equals to 9 on 4. Okay, so we have two answers for m. So m equals to minus 2 or 9 on 4. That's not the end. Now let's recall. From here. Okay, x squared equals to m. X squared equals to m. So when m is minus 2, now let's see. Now when m is minus 2, so we have x squared equals minus 2. So as we take square root on both sides, x will be plus or minus. So this one is a complex. Now we can write this one as 2 times minus 1. That will be square root of 2 times square root of minus 1. But square root of minus 1 is the same as I from complex numbers, which means that negative 1 is the same as I squared. So from here, we can do substitution as x equals to plus or minus 2i. So that's the complex part of the question, the complex solution. Okay, now let's look at the real solution. X squared equals 9 and 4. Okay, so 9 and 4 is here. 9 and 4. So from here, x take square root on both sides. That will make this side x equals to plus or minus. So the numerator will be 3, the denominator will be 2. So that's that. So the four solutions are square root of 2i minus square root of 2i, 3 on 2, and minus 3 on 2. So have 4 solutions. As simple as that. Subscribe for more exciting videos like this. Right.